And where else but to the National Stadium, where Shania Douglas of Holland High School produced a stunning performance to win the girls' class 200 meters in a new national under-20 record on the final day of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships at the National Stadium. Now, Denise Walters is at the stadium and filed this report.
World under 200 meters bronze medalist Shania Douglas of Holland High bettered the previous national junior record of 22.50 seconds set by Brianna Williams in 2018 and Brianna Liston's champs record of 22.53 set in 2022, clocking 22.36 seconds to win the girls' class 200 meters. Douglas, the 100 meters champion, dominated the field to secure gold, leading home Edwin Allen's Alex Henry and Shanique Casanova. Sanjay Seymour of William Knibb won the boys equivalent in 21.14 ahead of JC's Michaelan Woods and KC's Kyle Bowden. 400 meters record holder Jason Pitter of KC did the class 2 boys 4-2 double, winning in 21.03, while Woolmer's girls Natrice East did the sprint double after capturing the girls class 2 200 meters in 23.54. Meanwhile, Heidel's Robert Miller captured the boys' Class 1 110-meter hurdles title. Miller, who fell in the Class 1 400-meter hurdles final, redeemed himself, clocking 13.41. Now, after breaking the record in the semis, St. Jacob's Marquise Page also had redemption following his disqualification in the Class 2 100 meters final. Page won the boys' Class 2 110-meter hurdles in 13.06 seconds. On the girls' side, record holder Tiana Marshall of Woolmer's girls won the Class 1 100-meter hurdles in 13.33, while another Woolmer Bell won the Class 2 equivalent in 13.32. Julia Situbu collected another record at champs, this time in the boys' Class 3 800 meters with a time of 1 minute 57.52. And over in the field, Addison James of Edwin Allen set a new record in the boys' javelin open with a throw of 70.30 meters. I am Denise Walters reporting from the National Stadium for TVJ Sports.
Thank you so much, Denise, for that very comprehensive report from the National Stadium. Meanwhile, 5 records were broken and 1 equaled, 4 of them coming across hurdles events on day 4 of the championships at the National Stadium. Details in this report.
3 of the records came in the sprint hurdles before Excelsior High's Jaden Campbell ran a meet record and personal best, 50.87 seconds to win the boys' Class 2 400-meter hurdles, a world under 18 lead. Heidel High's Cavion Minot was second and Gregory Williams of JC ended third. The Class 1 title went to KC's Giovanni Tyrrell, who won in a personal best of 50.63, besting JC's Roger Black and last year's gold medalist of Excelsior High, Kishon Hoffman. Heidel High's Nastasia Fletcher ran a world under 20 leading in personal best to 56.70 to win the girls' open 400-meter hurdles, exacting revenge on Edwin Allen's Kellyanne Carr, who defeated her in the flat 400 on Thursday, while Heidel's Alia Mullings was a third. Sushana Johnson won the girls' 2,000-meter steeplechase in 7 minutes and 04 seconds to lead, and Edwin Allen 1-2 with Brianna Morris second and Chevelle White of Alphonsus Davis third. It was a similar result for Jamaica College in the boys' equivalent, Evan Stete claiming gold and Dominic Anpongsa finishing second with Belfield's Javon Henry ending third. Over in the field, Michael Andre Edwards of JC picked up his second gold medal, adding the Class 1 boys triple jump title to his long jump triumph, leaping a personal best 16.52 meters. Amani Phillips of KC and Antonio Anderson of Calabar were second and third respectively.